Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Snapchat on your PC using the official Snapchat web app. First, open the Microsoft Store and search for Snapchat. Then install the app and open it once the installation is complete. It may take a few seconds to load. After it opens, log in with your Snapchat account. So enter your username and password, then approve the login request from your phone. Once you approve it, Snapchat will open on your PC. Then click next to continue and you will see the Snapchat web app interface. So you can enable notifications if you want. To use your camera, click the camera icon and allow camera permission. After that, your camera should work properly. And that's it. Now you can enjoy using Snapchat on your PC. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.